I'm Sarah Targaco po, and I'm here representing UCSP po.
UCSP for what?
Understanding Cultural, Society, and Politics po. Halo po siya ng philosophy and political field po.
HML at sa CSS yung parang sa mga headers. Ito po kami.
Do you remember what company you are? We've got a list of what I forgot to get you where to find out. Did you show my video to my husband? Not a word, bro. I don't have
never say you want to be married. And you have to say you want to be nothing, but also you have to. You have to have money, but you can't ask for money because that's Christ. You have to be a boss. But you can't be mean. You have to be. But you can't spoil other people's ideas. You have to feel you're supposed to not be a mother. But don't talk about kids all the time. You have to be caring. But also, always look out for others.
Thank you.
You have to answer for men's bad behavior, which is insane. But if you point that out, you're accused of complaining. You're supposed to stay pretty for men, but not so pretty that you tempt them too much. Or you have to have threatened other women. Because you're supposed to be a part of the system, but also always stand out and always be grateful, but never forget that the system is rigged. So find a way to acknowledge that, but also always be grateful. You never get off, never be rude, never show up, never be selfish, never fall down, never fail, never show fear. Get out of life. It's too hard. It's too contradictory and nobody gives you another or say thank you. And it turns out in fact that only are you doing it wrong. Also everything is your fault.
Thank you.
Filipino Women's Society. I wanted to convey different ways. Parang metaphorical. And then,
So, ito po yung get namin. Yung pinapagawa, it advocates for diversity po. So, katulad ng example ko dito, naglagay po ako ng parang halal kainan para po sa mga Muslim, para mas easier access po. Yung iba po nalagay ng prayer worship hall, may mga
in real life. So basically, these four, they're in order on how entrepreneurship starts. First, each strand niya. Ito, arts and design,
ICT, tapos
arts and design and ICT. Visions mo sa for the future.
Wala kang problem, wala kang iniisip kasi nakikita na nila yung harapan.
Tapos, syempre, iniisip niya muna yung paano niya i-start yung business with.
hello.
So, magandang umaga po. And also, sa mga salita natin sa iba't ibang parte ng ating bansa, which is very unique po talaga. And also sa mga po natin kayamanan, na achieve, everything, which is may pagmamalaki po sa Pilipino. So, ayun po,